This type of video is going insanely viral right now. 3D product animations are getting thousands of followers and hundreds of thousands of views. And the best part, you can create them using AI tools without any 3D modeling or animation skills. First, open ChatGPT. Now type 3D product animation ideas and click search. You'll see many different product animation concepts. Choose any one idea that looks modern, premium, or cinematic. Now copy that idea and paste it back into ChatGPT. Then type, "Give me the best starting image prompt, ending image prompt, and video prompt for this idea." ChatGPT will generate all 3 prompts for you. First, copy the starting image prompt. Go to Google Flow AI. Click on New Project. This is the main Flow AI interface. Paste the starting image prompt into the prompt box. Select Images mode. Choose your preferred aspect ratio. Then click Generate. Within a few seconds, your starting image will be ready. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the ending image prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and click Generate again. Wait a few minutes. Your ending image is now ready. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Return to Flow AI, click Video mode, upload the starting image, then upload the ending image. Paste the video prompt into the prompt box. Click Generate. Flow AI will automatically create a smooth, cinematic transition between the 2 images, turning them into a professional 3D product animation. And just like that, your 3D product animation is ready. Download the video. If you want a longer animation, simply repeat the same process with more image pairs and combine them together. Finally, export your video and upload it to YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.